Why be limited by what a typical pull-type disc mower can or can't do? Instead, take your harvest to the next level with the all-new R1 Series pull-type disc mowers from MACDON. These new machines continue MACDON's tradition of bringing harvesting innovation to the field. Featuring an industry first, our optional road-friendly transport package switches from field to transport in 30 seconds. Transforming both our 13 and 16-foot R1s into a road-friendly 9-foot wide transport. This allows for quick, safe travel to, from, and between fields. Moving from a 10 to 16-foot mower can increase productivity by 60%, making this option ideal for operations where width restrictions are the limiting factor. Speaking of productivity, when it comes to cutting performance, the R1 delivers. Our low-profile forward-mounted cutting discs provide a flat header angle, resulting in a cleaner, smoother cut than ever before. And this new design is backed by MACDON's 3-year cutter bar warranty. That's our way of ensuring worry-free harvesting performance. Using minimal ground pressure, our responsive float system moves the R1 up and back as it encounters bumps in the field. This unique movement results in true, even ground following and helps ensure a clean, smooth cut. The R1 is ready to handle some serious capacity. Featuring the industry's widest conditioning roll at 129 inches and 4 interchangeable conditioning options. Choose from steel intermeshing, polyurethane intermeshing, finger conditioner, or no conditioner. The R1 lays down well-formed, well-conditioned, wide to narrow windrows to suit a variety of conditioning needs. With MACDON's R1 Series pull-type disc mowers, the harvesting possibilities are wide open. Find out why more top producers trust MACDON for their harvest. Call your local MACDON dealer today.